After personally encountering persistent system instability and dedicating significant time to testing various remedies, I've successfully identified multiple effective strategies to resolve common performance issues. I'm now ready to share these proven solutions with you. This video will show you exactly how to fix AMD Adrenalin 2T60662 driver crash and freeze on Windows 10, bringing stability back to your computer. First, cleaning out old, corrupted driver files and installing fresh ones is like giving your graphics system a brand new start. Old driver remnants can often conflict with new software, causing crashes and freezes. A clean installation removes these hidden conflicts, ensuring your AMD Adrenalin software runs smoothly with no leftover issues. Second, adjusting specific AMD Adrenalin settings helps because some advanced features, while powerful, can sometimes push your graphics card too hard or introduce software glitches with certain games or applications. By turning off or reducing these settings, you lessen the strain on your GPU and often eliminate the very triggers for instability, making your system more reliable. Third, checking and repairing your system files and keeping Windows updated is crucial. Corrupted system files are a frequent cause of software malfunctions, including driver problems. Windows updates often contain vital bug fixes and compatibility improvements that directly address issues leading to crashes and freezes, ensuring your operating system supports your drivers correctly. Finally, tweaking power settings and BIOS options works because improper power delivery can starve your GPU, causing it to fail under load. Also, certain BIOS settings like fast boot can interfere with how drivers load, leading to instability. Correcting these ensures your graphics card receives consistent power and initializes properly every time you start your computer.